got a prayer.
He's gonna have to pull me.
Yeah, I don't think you got a prayer.
Huh?
I don't think you got a prayer.
Well, not by myself.
No.
They should have had this marked a little bit better. I would have never came down here with this.
Did you ever make it up it yet?
Excuse me?
Did you make it up it yet?
Not with this. This is the first I came out here.
Oh, okay. I saw you go down it.
Yeah, I mean, went over the bank.
Back over here. Oh, okay. So you came down and this is your first time going up. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, when I came down, I was over in them trees.
Oh man.
Because I don't have brakes in the front either.
Oh, that's no good.
No, and it's once you get into, you know, with your foot off the gas, you're freewheeling. Yeah, I do. Stay in low gear, 4-wheel drive. Back up and give him some. Maybe I'll drag him. I'll ride a good bike for a change.
Oh boy.